Have you ever noticed that your face gets oily just a few hours after washing it? Like you clean your skin in the morning and by midday, your face is already shiny again. And no matter how many products you try, nothing really seems to fix it. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Your skin is not dirt or broken. It is actually trying to protect itself. And in this eye-opening video, you're going to understand exactly why your face gets oily so fast and what you can actually do about it. First, you need to understand something very important. Oil on your face is completely normal. Your skin produces oil for a reason. It helps to protect your skin, keep it hydrated, prevent dryness, and act as a natural barrier. So oil itself is not the problem. The problem is when your skin produces too much of it. And that usually happens for specific reasons. And one of the biggest reasons your face gets oily so fast is actually something many people think is good skincare. Washing your face too much or using very harsh cleansers. Here's what happens. You wash your face, you remove oil completely, and your skin feels dry and stripped. So your skin reacts. It thinks, I need to protect myself. And what does it do? It produces even more oil. So instead of fixing the problem, you actually make it worse. And this creates a cycle. Wash, dryness, more oil, wash again, and even more oil. And another big reason your face gets oily fast is the damaged skin barrier. Your skin barrier is like a protective shield. When it is healthy, it keeps everything balanced. But when it is damaged, your skin becomes confused. It can feel dry but oily at the same time, sensitive, red, irritated, and unstable. And when the barrier is weak, your skin often overproduces oil to compensate. Common causes include overwashing, harsh skincare products, too many active ingredients, not moisturizing, and sun damage. And when your barrier is damaged, your skin is constantly trying to fix itself, and that often leads to excess oil. Sometimes oily skin is not just about skincare. It can also be influenced by internal factors like hormones. Hormonal changes can increase oil production, especially during stress, puberty, diet changes, and lack of sleep. And stress in particular can trigger your body to produce more oil, and that is why during stressful periods, your skin often looks more shiny or breaks out more easily. So it is not always what you put on your skin. Sometimes it is what's happening inside your body. Now let's talk about what actually helps. First, stop overwashing your face. Twice a day is enough for most people. Morning and night. Second, use a gentle cleanser, not something harsh that strips your skin. Your goal is to clean, not destroy your skin barrier. Third, moisturize your skin. Yes, even oily skin needs moisturizer, and skipping moisturizer can actually make your skin produce more oil. Fourth, be consistent. Your skin needs time to rebalance itself. You won't fix oily skin overnight, but with the right habits, your skin slowly becomes more stable.